Hello, it's Mark from Worth It Repairs by Mark, and today we're doing a Microsoft Surface Pro 9, and I got the new screen out here. I'm just checking to see what I'm going to have to do for this repair, and it looks pretty easy, and it also helps me determine which way the screen opens up so I don't break anything in the inside. Alright, so there's the crack in the screen. Also me, and this is a good point for me to say, please like and subscribe, because then I can show you guides just like this. So we are gonna take out the SSD in the back. I don't really think this is a secure way to keep your data at all, but anyways, it's secured down with a T3 screwdriver. Not very many people have that laying around. This will disconnect the battery on the device, so then you won't disconnect the battery in the inside. So, which is a great feature to have, but to get it to turn on afterwards, you will have to plug it in. You'll use a spudger to pull it out. You'll need to get it at an angle to get it to slide fully out. And then we're going to go ahead and heat up the screen and for 10 minutes or 20 to get the broken glass off. All right, so we'll grab out our tools here. We got a metal pry tool from iFixit, a guitar pick from iFixit. I actually recommend original just guitar picks on Amazon. Buy them in bulk, plastic only, and it works great. Anyways, and then I just got a very thin piece of metal. Even like plastic could work for this part. It's just to get a lip underneath the screen so you can get the wider metal pry tool in, and then you'll get the plastic one put in, and then you'll be able to work your way around the edges. Where the glass is broken, you'll have to use that technique like pretty much every time when you get to those points. But I'm going to speed up in the video here. There I am. You can see me working so hard on this repair for you guys here so I can show you the quickest and most easiest way to do this repair. It's really easy and it's pretty amazing. It's really a game changer, I would believe. This repair is really amazing for the right to repair, I would believe, just like how you disconnect the battery is through the SSD, and also how easy it is to get the screen off. Once you get the adhesive off, that's probably the hardest part, and just dealing with broken glass, I would say have no fear. Anyways, there is one other thing I wanted to point out. My desk is definitely very messy. I was working on multiple repairs at the time of this repair, and I wanted to point out that the repair to the left of this video was actually a drone, and I do repair drones. And check out my other drone video and click on it right here. Sped up the video a little bit for you guys, made it a little fun. Anyways, you'll want to put it up on an angle here and then pry at it, and you'll be able to notice if you have any adhesive snagging, which I did, and I pulled that off. So now I can lay it on the cameras to the top and then pull from the top to the bottom, and you will take off the screen successfully. It's going to be amazing here. Looking at how it connects here, I really think that they should put an SSD inside to have a secure place to put your data instead of only relying on BitLocker. This is amazing. So you're going to have to disconnect the flex cable on the back of the screen so you don't have to touch the motherboard at all. So grab our metal pry tool and we're going to pry off one of these metal brackets. They're a nightmare. And you're going to want this one for sure. Like sometimes the other ones, they aren't so important, but this one's the most important because it's connected to the back of the screen. You want to put it back on in case they drop it. Otherwise, the screen cable could pop off, and it's a nightmare to take these screens off when they're not already broken. Grab a spudger and go right from the back of the cable, and then you'll lift up from there, and you'll be able to pull it off. I would work your way around it, definitely. It is very snug on there, and you don't want to bend it up because you don't want to have to take it off the board. So we're going to clean off all the glass here. I'm just going to speed up the video. I also lay down adhesive because my screen did not come with adhesive. And I'll put a link of that in the description below, along with all the tools that I use. And honestly, I feel like a caveman can do this repair, other than having the T3 screwdriver involved, but you use it one time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. I'm going to turn on some music, and I'm just going to enjoy watching the rest of the repair. Make sure you test it before you adhere it. Worth it! What an amazing repair! Please like and subscribe, leave any comments below if you have any questions. You'll want to use your T3 screwdriver and lay down the bracket for the SSD. Then you're going to want to plug it in, because it won't turn on unless you plug it in when you remove the SSD. Alright, give it a good test and call it good.